Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am going to share my washi collection with you. You're probably used to seeing this background with my face usually in front of it, filming some sort of video, but today we're going to focus on what's in the background. I've had a lot of questions about the drawers that I use to store my washi and where washi comes from and how I have it organized, etc. So today I'm going to walk you through everything. I'm going to show you the storage. I'm going to tell you where it's from. I'm going to explain how I've organized my washi. I finally feel like I have it in a place that I really like it, and I know where to find everything when whatever I'm looking for, whether it's by shop or by type or by color. And I also really like it from a visual perspective. It's a decorative element. Let's be honest, on my shelves. It's not necessarily just functional. So I'm going to do my best to tell you where I got all of the washi. The ones that are sorted by shop, obviously those will be easy. The ones that are sorted by type and by color, those will be a little bit more difficult. Again, I will do my best. If you have any specific questions about a specific roll, let me know in the comments. And if I can remember, I will let you know. But I have been, let's say, working on this collection for, 5 years now. It's been a long process, a long journey. So I don't know that I will necessarily remember every single roll, but again, I will do my best. Okay, we're going to start with the washi that is organized by color. And I've talked about these boxes before, but these are from Michaels, these drawers. They are about 10 inches across and about 6 inches down. So they have 3 drawers and it has a lot of space width-wise. I have 2 of them stacked on top of each other. We're going to start with the top one and move to the bottom. And the way that I decided to organize these was, again, a lot for a visual aesthetic. So you'll notice I have like red here and pink here, but then back here, it's kind of just a hodgepodge because this is what you can see. So I wanted it to be like, red, pink, orange, yellow, green, teal. I wanted it to flow. And so instead of doing all the red across and then like the pink behind it, I decided to do half and half just in this front row. And then the rest of the red and the pink are behind it, kind of just not necessarily in any particular order. Now, a lot of these rolls are from Michaels. So a lot of the rolls that you see in the color sections are the ones that come in the tubes in Michaels, just kind of split apart, but obviously not all of them. But as I'm looking at this, that is a majority of them. This is Chrissy Designs. That should maybe go over with the other Chrissy Designs washi. We'll move that when we get to that section. But again, a lot of these are from Michaels. This one is Design Pandemonium. I guess I should also go with the Design Pandemonium, but I know I'm going to leave this with the red because that's very specific red. So it's some of the decisions that I made for how to store my washi are not necessarily logical. Some of them are, that's just how it ended up. So again, here, the front is just like solid color, red and pink. And then the back is just all the rest of the red and pink. This is where I come when I want a very specific color that matches a weekly spread. All right, the next drawer is the orange and yellow. So I did the same thing in the front with half orange and half yellow. And then the back isn't near as full. Like there's actually a lot of empty space. You can see the dividers have like an interesting curve to them, but I don't have a lot of other orange and yellow washi. One thing I do wish I had are little, I don't know if dividers is the right word, but little things that would stand up right here so it doesn't fall over when it's not a full row, but I don't know where to get those. Okay, and then the bottom of the first set of drawers is teal and green, so half teal, half green in the front, and then the rest of it just kind of squished in the back in no particular order. And this one is filled to the brim. I do have a lot of teal and green washi, it looks like. Again, it looks like a lot of these are from Michaels. This is like from Target. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Nothing else is really jumping out at me as being from a different source. Okay, and then we move to the second box. Now, you'll notice this one had a little bit of an accident. This is how it was shipped to me, and they did say I could come to the store and try and get an exchange, and honestly, I just didn't want to deal with it. I just decided to keep it for now. Honestly, it doesn't bother me all that much. You can't really tell. Eventually, I'll switch it out and maybe buy a new one, but for right now, it's just, I did not have the energy to deal with getting it replaced, and they made it like I had to go to the store, and I just didn't want to. Okay, so the first drawer is the blue, and it's just all blue. It's just light blue and dark blue. And then in the back, same thing. Again, a lot of this, I don't even know where some of these things came from. Like the cloud washi, I honestly don't remember. Some of this I got from like people giving things away. I know that's where I got the second one. Someone was destashing, and I snagged that one because I thought it was pretty, although let's be real, I haven't used it since I grabbed it. This one I know I got on Etsy because it looked like the Argentinian flag when I was going on a trip to Argentina. Like, so literally so random, but this is the blue drawer. And then this is like the fuchsia and purple drawer. So we've got like the dark pink on this side and then purple on this side. And then again, just kind of a mess in the back. A lot of Michaels here. These are from the most recent Oh Hello box that I unboxed. That's pretty much it. So those, oh wait, we have one more drawer again. Okay, and then the last drawer in this box, which is the messed up one, is sort of all the neutrals. So we've got gold and silver and then a bunch of black and white. This drawer I don't end up going into as much as I kind of wish I did. I love these hearts. And then of course, because it's broken, these like don't want to stay back. But so a lot of these, I do know like the sparkly silk, these ones are definitely from Michaels. I don't remember a lot of the rest of them. There's these hearts too. I have a lot of hearts, it looks like. I should do like a black and white week because I do have a lot of black and white washi. That is all that I store by color. So you can see some of the drawers are filled to the brim and some of them do have some empty space. I was trying to, when I moved into this new system, to purge a lot of washi and to get rid of stuff and to leave space because let's be real, I know that I'm going to get more like that. I could tell myself all day long that I'm never going to acquire any more washi. That's not going to happen. So I tried to leave as much space as possible. Some of the drawers definitely don't have space, like that one. No, that one has space. What about this? I don't remember. Is this one? Yeah, I guess they all pretty much have space except for the teal and the green. That drawer doesn't come out as easily. What's going on there? So again, these are the drawers that I come to when I want washi in a very specific color. If I want a very specific shade of something to go with a weekly spread or a monthly spread, this is where I come. Okay, so let's move on to these little drawers. These I did get on Amazon. You can also find these, I think, at Michael's and I know a lot of people find them at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls type places, but these are definitely smaller than those other ones. That's why I have 4 stacked instead of just 2. So they're about 6 inches by 6 inches. So they're the same height as the Michael's ones, but they are not as long, but they're more than half, if that makes sense. So you couldn't, I mean, you could stack like 2 on top, but it's not the same width. Like 2 of these don't equal 1 of the other ones. So depends on how much washi you're trying to store. So these 2 drawers is either by a specific category or a specific shop. So you'll notice that this one over here, this is my Simply Gilded, and I just love to look at this. It is so beautiful, y'all. So there's a lot of space in some of these drawers. Like they're definitely not full, but again, I know myself and I know that I acquire more washi. So again, this first box up in the top left, this is all my Simply Gilded. So the top has sort of more the warm colors, the gold, the rose gold, and some of the specific conference washis. This one's got more of like the blues and the rainbow, the silver, and then some like patterned ones that I got, some Halloween ones that my friend Jen gave me. And then these are from some of the, when I was signed up for the monthly subscription box, and then some Washiception washi. And then the bottom one has all of like the skinny washi, which I did use 1 month in my like monthly notes page. Otherwise, I haven't really used it as much. Please let me know in the comments, how do you use like the skinniest washi? But again, there's a lot of empty space in this because this is like just my Simply Gilded, and I know that I will likely get more in the future. Okay, we're gonna move down before we move across. So this one is also by shop, but it is there. Each shop has its own like section or row. So this top drawer is all of my Design Pandemonium washi. So some of these came in a monthly subscription kit. Some of them I just bought on their website, but all of these are from Design Pandemonium. And then this drawer has all of my Erin Condren washi. So a lot of these are really more paper tape if you have touched the Erin Condren washi before rather than just washi, except for these ones. These are more washi. I've heard that the new washi is more washi, but I don't have it in my hands yet. These are also like true washi, these ones. The rest of them are all kind of papery, but these are all of my Erin Condren ones. And I kind of just put like my favorites in the front because those you can see, and then my backups or less favorite in the back. Okay, and then the bottom drawer is 2 different shops. So all of these Harry Potter ones are from Paper House Productions. These are all Harry Potter, Paper House, and then the rest of this is Chrissy and Designs. These 2 drawers are Chrissy and Designs and Michaels, and then these 2 I just got at Go Wild by sitting at the Chrissy and Designs table. I'm not sure if she's adding those to her shop or not online, but these are all Chrissy and Designs and Michaels. I was tempted to have these sorted into like their categories or their colors, because if I'm going for like, if I'm trying to find a color in one of these matches, I'm going to go to the colors first and not come here first. But her washi rolls are so much smaller. Like even here, these are the ones that she sells in her shop. Look how much tinier it is. So it just looked weird having them among all the other washi, so I just left it here. Okay, now let's move to this top corner. So this is the rainbow quadrant. This set of drawers is all the rainbow multicolored washi, which I absolutely love and need to find more uses for. So this also has a lot of empty space. And again, mostly I just put my favorites in the front so that you could see them. I'm gonna try and do my best to tell you where some of these are from. So these three are all from the Tombow surprise box or VIP box. I don't know where this one's from. This is Amy Tangerine. This is Michael's. I think this is Michael's. These, I don't know. I've had them for so long. These are Michael's for sure. That's it. That's all I remember. I wish I had more memory for you. A lot of these are really old. Like, look, this one was so popular. I decided to get 3 because I didn't want to run out. Oh, I still love that washi. It's so pretty. But honestly, I don't remember where a lot of these are from. Some of them, again, I've had for such a long time. Some of them are back when they used to do like those big bulk washi sales. Like I know that's where this one's from. When they would do those bulk washi sales and you had to like submit in a Google Doc. Do you guys remember that? There was like a Facebook group that did it. And then this bottom drawer has all the skinny washi. So these are from the Erin Condren surprise box, but now I believe that these are available on the site. I'm not sure what some of these ones for. This is Design Pandemonium. These are like the old Amy Tangerine ones, that old set that she used to have. I wish there was a better way to store these where I could see them all. It's hard. It's hard to deal with skinny washi because they don't want to stand up. So again, that's where I wish I had these little dividers that would stand up and hold things, you know, in place. And then the last set of drawers are like very specific washis. So they have, it's either a holiday or just a very specific category. You'll see what I mean. So the first drawer is holidays. So we've got my one St. Patrick's Day washi. We have these kitty washis, which I don't know. Every day is a kitty day in my house. Thanksgiving, fall, and then Halloween washi. And then we have not 2 full rows of Christmas. We have 1.5 rows of Christmas and then Valentine's Day hearts type stuff in the back. My favorite Christmas washi, it was this one, and I thought there was a third one in the set from Paper Source, the store. Oh, it's the most beautiful washi. Some of these are from Design Pandemonium, these Halloween ones. These are from Michael's, like the very traditional Christmas ones. This one. Oh, this is a Chinese New Year one that's from Wonton and a Million. That one just got shoved in there. All right, and then this drawer has, the first drawer has kind of got like beachy type boats and flip-flops and stuff. And then we've got like drink washi. So we've got some wine, more cocktails, wine, and then food washi. So pineapples, donuts, all kinds of stuff. And then in the back, it's like travel washi. So we've got the different cities, New York, London, train tracks, etc. A lot of these I did buy on Etsy back when I was first collecting washi, and I like searched them out specifically, whether I was going on a trip or whatever it was. This one is Simply Gilded, but because it is a drink washi, I have it here with the drinks. Like this one, I know I specifically hunted out. These were from a set at Michael's, but a friend sent them to me because I couldn't find them anywhere. A lot of these beach ones are also from Michael's. And then the last drawer, the first drawer. Oh, I did have graduation washi. That would have been nice. So the first one is all kind of school supply type things. These are definitely from that from that Facebook group that we used to buy washi from. This is from an Oh Hello box, these books. This is Design Pandemonium. I guess I don't have all shops. Like I do have some Design Pandemonium and stuff tucked in when it goes in a category. I don't remember where these are from. I love this washi-ception washi. This one, okay, if you come out, I just want to show them how pretty you are. It is so beautiful. The Etsy shop that I bought it from is sold out, but if you can find it on Etsy, I'll try and look for you, but it's so pretty. My friend Sheila posted about it in a Facebook group, and like immediately I asked her where it was from, and she sent the link to the Etsy shop, and I went and bought it, and it's gone now. And then we have some like birthday type stuff, so balloons and sprinkles and cupcakes. This is also Design Pandemonium, and then sports in the back here, which again, when I was collecting washi, I thought I needed washi for everything, and I definitely got the sports washi and hardly ever use it because when I mark sports, I mark it with a sticker, not with washi, but it's super cute. I love these ones with the close-ups of the balls, like the football and the basketball, but again, I don't use that as much as I wish that I did. Okay, that is it. That is my washi collection. I know that it is a little bit extravagant, but again, it's something that I've been working on, if you can call it that, for a number of years and collected over the years. I also have purged a lot over the years. I don't know that I want to admit that given how much I still own, but I'm really happy with how I finally have it set up, and I just wanted to share my organization system with you and hope that maybe it could help you a little bit, try and get a grasp on your washi. And again, I also just love the way it looks. I love just looking at it. Let me know in the comments, how do you store your washi? I used to use, let me see if I can find a picture to pop up. I used to use a spice rack, and it had a couple of problems. One, it was kind of an eyesore because it was like white plastic, so it was not very attractive. And also it had like holes in the bottom of the drawers because spices, like, it wouldn't fall through because it was big enough. The washi would sometimes fall through, and it was really annoying. So I finally invested and transitioned to these clear drawers because they're just so much more attractive. But let me know in the comments, how do you store your washi? I know some people have some beautiful shelves. I've seen all kinds of things. This finally, I feel like, works for me. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's easy to find what I need, and I'm just very happy with it. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning.